How to schedule blog posts in Squarespace. So if you already have a blog added onto your Squarespace website, then that typically makes things easier. So head over right here to your blog and expand it. From in there, you can see your blog contents. You have title 1 until 4, but you can actually just delete them right here. You can create a new content by clicking onto this plus icon. Then after that, you can input right here the actual draft, input right here the actual options that you want for this. Like for example, let's input right here the actual text for the title and input right here the paragraph. So I will just input right here a placeholder. But once you're done with this, you can proceed to click on this publish. When you hover to that, you can find the schedule. So click on schedule right there. Choosing here the scheduled time that you want to publish it. For example, on Monday at around a certain time and click on schedule. After that, this post will be scheduled and published at the time that you have chosen. So that's how you schedule blog posts in Squarespace. Hope we helped.